To connect your API key, it's very simple. You just need to go, as shown in the documentation, directly to the OpenAI website. So you take the link here, platform.openai.com. Once you're on this platform, you can log in directly with your Google account, for example. And once that's done, you can go to API key, and here you can simply create a new key. You click on new key, you enter a name, for example, API key. For FunnelForge, you create the secret key. All right, this key will be generated and you'll be able to copy the key. So you'll take the specific secret key that begins with the letters SK, go ahead and copy this key, and then enter it directly into the application configuration settings. Here in API key, you copy and paste your API key and you save. Once that's done, you just need to go back directly to the platform. You can see here that since I've been using the software and must have generated at least 100 or 150 sales funnels, I've spent $1.95. And I've also generated a lot of emails. All right, you can create emails that communicate directly with your sales funnel. I've created a lot of them and it really doesn't cost much. You can see it, so that's 1 cent or even less than a cent per funnel. Next, you can do this here, add credit. So you'll be able to add credits, all right? And quite simply, I recommend putting in $5. That will be more than enough. Once that's done, once you have your $5, you'll be able to go back to FunnelForge and start creating your sales funnels.